front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to find advanced features. Over here. Now tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Now you need to scroll to tap on one of those options. This way you can pick which one will be better for you to reduce display size with, gesture or button. Wherever you decided, you need to follow all of the instructions below it. In my case, home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on blurry area. But here's something I discovered while testing one-handed mode on this Samsung. After tapping on your home button or swiping down if you are using gesture, you can hold one of your device's screen corners and drag the chosen one to make your little screen bigger or smaller. You can also move it around. To do that, click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag it. To go back, tap on blurry area again, and to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!